Need more resources on CloudRaptor or want to scale things down? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to upgrade or downgrade your plan, step by step. CloudRaptor lets you change your subscription anytime directly from the dashboard. Whether you're upgrading or downgrading, changes will affect things like server limits, application limits, features, support level, and even team access. And just like payments, all billing is securely handled through Squeezy. First, log into your CloudRaptor account. Go to Billing and Subscription. Then click on View Plans and Pricing. Here, you'll see all available plans along with monthly and yearly billing options. If you want to upgrade, simply choose a higher tier plan. Select your billing option, monthly or yearly, then click Upgrade or Start Plan. You'll be taken to the secure Squeezy checkout to complete your payment. Once the payment is successful, your upgrade happens immediately. That means your new limits are applied instantly, you can create more servers or applications right away, and billing is automatically adjusted or prorated if needed. If you're looking to downgrade, select a lower tier plan instead. Confirm your selection and complete any required steps. But before you downgrade, make sure your current usage fits within the new plan limits. For example, if the lower plan allows fewer servers or apps, you may need to remove some first. Unlike upgrades, downgrades usually take effect at the next billing cycle. And if your usage exceeds the new plan limits, certain actions might be restricted until you reduce usage. After upgrading or downgrading, go back to billing and subscription. Here you can confirm your new plan, updated limits, and overall subscription status. Everything updates automatically once the change is processed. That's it. Quick and flexible plan management inside CloudRaptor. If you need help, you can always reach out to support@cloudraptor.io. And if this helped, check out more CloudRaptor tutorials in the description. I'll see you in the next one.